As an introvert, doing things by myself and spending time alone is not only incredibly enjoyable, but it is also quite necessary. This is the way that I conserve the most energy, because even the presence of one friend is enough to start to drain me mentally and then physically. The simple joy of doing things on my own comes in different forms, and one of those is relief. Relief that there is no need for pretense, for compromise, for false smiles or empty words that exist only to satisfy some social expectation. In this way, doing things by myself brings a kind of independence, at least as much as I can have when living in this world, in this environment. For example, if I'm traveling alone, then I'm free to go at my own pace, change my mind as much as I want, and even retrace my steps. And I don't have to be concerned for my travel companion that they might be feeling tired or even bored. Spending time alone does not mean that I am unproductive. In fact, it's quite the opposite, because the activities that I tend to pursue often require me to eliminate the distractions. For example, it is only when I am by myself that I can truly focus on recording a video like this. And it is also when I can focus on learning and studying to further my own intellectual growth. To give an example of the latter, a while ago I finished a wonderful and fulfilling Dutch course, and being as intense as it was, I essentially dedicated every free moment that I had to studying, to assignments, and to the exercises that we had. This experience was also one in which I pursued alone, in the fact that I did not know anyone when I signed up to the course. So while there was the instructor and there were the other students during our live sessions, I didn't have to wait for a friend to also express interest in the course before I signed up. And in this way, it's this kind of independence. I really just went at my own pace. I saw the course, it interested me, and I signed up. And for me, it's incredibly important that when I seek experiences and I find them, that I have the ability to pursue them immediately. Because with delay, the opportunity might slip away.